you to my course on how to clone Instagram for iOS devices using Swift 4. Now in this video, I'm going to get into the tools we're going to need in order for you to be able to build this project. I'm going to give you a brief run through of what the completed application looks like, which is what you see here on this simulator. And I'm also going to give a brief overview of the kind of techniques and things you're going to be learning throughout the course. So first things first, I'm assuming most of you already have this already, is our development tool we're going to be using, which is Xcode. And that's what it looks like down there. If you don't have Xcode, then you're just going to want to hop into the App Store, search for Xcode up top, just like this, and it's going to be the first thing that comes up. Just give it a download, and that's what you're going to need in order to build our project. That's where we're going to be writing all of our code and all of that good stuff. So now let's get into what the completed application looks like and all of the functionality that we're going to be building. So this is our home feed. As you can see, it looks exactly like Instagram. You know, we have this options button here. We can delete and edit posts. We can click on the username. We can like posts. We can comment on posts. And we can see the users that have liked the posts. We have the ability to follow them from there. We have our nice little tab bar down here. Here's our search feed. Again, looks just like Instagram. We can click on the posts. We can also search for users like this. And this is what our user profile is going to look like for a guest user, or AKA, the user you're not logged in as. We can see it says following here. We can unfollow or follow. Here is what our post tab looks like, just like on Instagram. Here are our in-app notifications, that detail all the interactions we have with other users and that users have with us. We can follow from there, click on these posts. We can go to the user's profile from there. And then here is our current user profile. And as you can see here, that's why it says edit profile there. And that's what this looks like. And another cool feature that we have built in here is direct messaging. And this is what that's going to look like there. Now you guys are going to be learning how to, let's just go ahead and send a message so you can see it popping up live. And you can see that happens live there. And so you guys are going to be learning how to do that as well. And another super cool feature that I don't have shown here is that we're going to implement hashtags and mentions. And then we are also going to be implementing push notifications as well. So we have in-app notifications that are going to notify us of things going on within the app, but then we're also going to do push notifications that actually send notifications to the device when a user likes your post, comments on your post, or follows you. So let me just take you to the login screen here and the sign up page, and that's going to be about it, guys. So this is our login screen, and here's our sign up page. So that's what the completed application looks like. That's all the functionality that we're going to be doing here. And let me now briefly get into what we're going to be learning throughout the course, and then we can go ahead and jump right into the code. So you guys are going to be learning how to build a fully functioning social media application that's also a full stack application. And what I mean by full stack is we're going to be engineering our own backend server for this as well using Firebase. And that's what this is going to look like. So this is where all of our data is going to live. We're going to be coming up with how we want to structure our data for like comments, hashtags, messages, notifications, all of that stuff. So you guys are going to get a really good understanding of how to store data into a database, how to read data from that database, how to store pictures into a database, and like really develop effective techniques on how to structure your data to make your application as fast as possible. Another technique we're going to be implementing that's extremely important for scalability is pagination. And that is making sure we only load certain chunks of data at a time. So like we only load 5 posts or 10 posts at a time in our home feed so that our application can handle large amounts of users. So you guys are going to be learning how to do all of these things. So you're not really just learning how to build Instagram, you're going to be learning a lot of high-level programming techniques here and how to build a full stack application with engineering a back end, and also learning a ton of cool front end techniques. Like we're going to be building our storyboards programmatically, which is something that is a lot more common in the professional world. And we're just going to be learning a ton of cool stuff. So I hope you guys are excited to get started. You guys are going to want to look at a link I provided in this video for the assets that we're going to need, which is like all the pictures for the app and stuff, like this logo up here. And, it's going to contain the source code and all that stuff. So make sure you give that a download. And I'll try to remind you guys later on in the course if in case you skip this part of the video or skip this video altogether. So yeah, guys, we'll see you in the next video. I hope you're excited and ready to code, and thanks for watching.